The spectral irradiance as a function of photon wavelength or energy, denoted by F, is the most common way of characterizing a light source. It gives the power density at a particular wavelength. In the analysis of solar cells, the photon flux is often needed as well as the spectral irradiance. The spectral irradiance can be determined from the photon flux. The result is then divided by the given wavelength, as shown in the equation below. A and lambda are the energy and wavelength of the photon in joules and meters respectively, and the spectral irradiance is more commonly expressed in terms of wavelength, so that A and lambda are the energy and wavelength of the photon in eV and micro m respectively. The spectral irradiance of artificial light sources, left axis, compared to the spectral irradiance from the sun, right axis.